Alright guys, so we've just got our package from Problem Solving Bushings, and very excited to start getting this into the car. So you can see on the right hand side here, Craig's put a lick of paint onto the subframe, so that's looking a lot better, nice and shiny. So let's see what we've got inside. So first up, we've got our rear trailing arm bushings over there. Next up, we've got the rear subframe rear bushing kit. Rear subframe front bushing kit. We've got our front anti-roll sway bar bushing kit, and that's for a 26.2mm sway bar. And last but not least, the rear differential mounting bushing. So these are all poly. We're going to start getting these into the subframe and into the carriers, into our front sway bar. Hopefully this will not be as difficult as removing them. So we look forward to that, and we'll keep you informed how that process goes. Well, there you have it. Now we've got the subframe and the rear differential bush installed. Unlike uninstalling them, where you have to sacrifice your firstborn and promise the blood of your second, this was quite painless. Had them in under 15 minutes. So thanks, Problem Solving Bushings. Happy with the product you supplied, and hope this is going to give us great performance in our E46 Track Car.